If your industrial-scale food and beverage process still uses wasteful and potentially dangerous single-pass water flushing for its pump sealing devices, don't be a dinosaur. Contact AESSEAL and ask about our SW2 water management systems. A major U.S. food and beverage company asked us to solve leaks and process contamination at a site where it was using single-pass flow-through systems on hundreds of huge pumps. Around 20% of these pumps, all set to maximum water flow, were already leaking, contaminating process fluids and wasting more than 1 million gallons of water per day. We supplied this major company with 450 water management systems which recirculate cooling water instead of flushing it away. The leaks and contamination problems disappeared, and maintenance costs plummeted. As well as saving 365 million gallons of water per year, overheads were down by $2.6 million with a return on investment of just 4.5 months. Before the leaks become a flood, maybe it's time to evolve. When the going gets tough, call AESSEAL.